Before beginning the heating lamp replacement process, make sure you have the heating lamps kit, which is included in the CSR Standard Uptime Kit. You can also purchase this kit separately. HP recommends wearing protective goggles, a mask, and cotton gloves when installing or replacing the heating lamps. On the printer's front panel, select Supplies and then Heating Lamps to see the status of each lamp. If a lamp is defective, replace it. Each lamp is identified with a number. Use this number to identify the defective lamp later. Make sure that the printer is not printing and that all windows, covers, and doors are closed and remain in their original positions. Power off the printer. Wait 30 minutes for the printer to cool down. Remove the build unit from the printer. Open the top cover. Unscrew 4 captive screws to remove the heating lamp quartz glass. Pull the quartz glass out from the top of the cover. Locate the lamp that needs to be replaced and remove it by sliding it out to disconnect the connector. Make sure you are wearing cotton gloves when handling the lamps. Install the new heating lamp. Position the cover and tighten the 4 captive screws. Close the top cover. Power on the printer. On the printer's front panel, open the Supplies app. From the Supplies app, verify the heating lamp status. The heating lamp replacement procedure is complete and you can resume printing.